So today I want to take a look at how you can crop an image layer within inside a Photoshop file. So you can see here we have this car on this background. It's not good, but it's just for tutorial purposes only. If we actually just go to our crop tool, you're going to see that it actually just wants to crop the whole thing, the whole entire image, but we just want to crop the car picture on the background. So we're just going to stop that, go back, click that. So the first thing you want to do on this is just create a new layer, which is just down here, create a new layer. Now once you've created the new layer, all you want to do is head up here to edit. You're going to want to find fill. Once you find fill, just going to make it black like this. Could just click the drop down if it's not there already. Click OK. And then you're going to want to drag this layer below the layer that we actually want to crop. So we want to crop the car, so we'll drop the layer with the black layer below that. And all we want to do is click on the car layer that we have here, our object that we want to edit, and we're going to create a clipping mask. So once we've now created this clipping mask, all we have to do is Command T. So all I want to do is free transform. That's just hop it here in edit. All we click is free transform. We can click Command T, Control T if you're on Windows. We want to click that on the layer, like so. When you do this, you actually just want to knock off this feature up here. This is like the chain link feature. This is maintain the aspect ratio, so we knock that off. You can see now that we can just crop along. We'll just cut the black sides off, of course. But now we can actually just crop up, like so. And we'll just crop from the top. And there we highlight that. So once you've got your image, obviously how you want it, just click OK. Then once it's like this, you want to click back on your top image, your top layer should I say, and you just want to go down to merge down. Click that, and as you can see, now that has compressed that back into just one layer. And if we just move that around, you can see that we now have our cropped image. We're in Photoshop and we haven't actually had to do anything else. So thanks for watching guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.